Welcome to our channel. So, any YouTubers, one of the best question is called, sir, how to upload our videos? So, what are the parameters we have to follow on your YouTube channel option? So, any YouTube channel uploading time, so we have to upload option will be there. So, at a time we can upload one video or multiple video accepted. Yes, at a time we can uploading for multiple videos also. So, uploading will be going on. You have to say take some time. So, is going to video uploading is going on here. So that you can follow will be you have to wait for certain time to finishing for 100%. So if finishing 100%, now coming to this one, close this. What are upload will be done here? First of all, we can go with click for edit this option. How to promote YouTube video with the website link. So copy it. YouTube promotions 2023 promotions and marketing 2023. So same one we can add on your description. Any particular video promotion purpose we can have to use will be particular hashtags. When click for YouTube, see this. How many videos uploading on particular hashtag, everything will be show your particular things. This will be 3.9 million videos, is a 46 million videos, 5.83 channels, 745 channels will be here. So this I'm using will be YouTube purpose. After this one, we have to use your particular playlist. The playlist purpose, when using this keyword, so any keyword you have to utilize. So when keyword will be used, when I'm searching will be Google, what are the top ranked websites? So yeah, secret website, YouTube, promote your in this. Copy here, create a playlist. So why I am creating playlist is called one video will be promoting will be different keywords. So that is the purpose. I have to creating a playlist will be here. So common playlist, what are the topic we have already created? Any playlists are there, YouTube regarding. So that all will be, we have to use a particular method. So here, so here, click this. So in one video, how many playlists you have to play it? There is a not count any particular playlist will be here. So that will be, we have to create a number of playlists. That is all will be view purpose. After this, what are the title we have? Use your tag option. Any particular video purpose, we have to install option name is called Video Queue Toolbar is compulsory important. This total will be free. That video already is there in my channel. Follow that video how you can activate this option. So after that, based on your particular option, the score will be shown to the particular users. So we can go with click it. So we have to score will be here. After this one, any particular video, we have to mention regarding it, compulsory important. After this one, comment everything. In your first option, main thing is called your proper title, description. Right now, I don't have any thumbnail. The thumbnail will be design option name is called Canva. So right now, I'm not design here. The thumbnail image size will be 1280 by 720. What are the image you have to design? That will be design will be here. How to design image? I'm already upload by video into my channel. So here playlist done, tags done, and your recording date done, and your language done. Video location, if you are uploading video through India, through particular location, we can mention will be here. But this is an education video, don't mention any kind of place. If you promote any business, target by the place wise. After this one, click for next. we have to option will be content ID. So any monetization will be done. That is called right management. That mean by if once you enable this ID, that's mean by anyone copy your video within a fraction of seconds, the video will be getting copyright. So that is the main thing. After this one, these are the number of video types. Display ad is a common, default, overlay ad, sponsor card, skippable, and non-skippable. After that, manage mid-roll ads. So what are the mid-roll you can display ad will be here. So in this ad, I can display will be manual ad will be here, or 4 to 5 ads I'm declare will be here. So more than ad will be irritated to the particular users, but that ads will be grow your earnings on your particular channel. After this one, ad suitability. So your inappropriate language, adult content, violence, shocking content, harmful content, recreation drugs, enable here, anything will be here. We can use this option. If anything will be none of the above, click for submit rating, click for next. After this one, main thing is called end screen accepting will be 4, but we can writing will be only 2. One is the highlighted video, second will be subscribe button. Cards will be, we can display will be 5, but we can write will be 1 will be video, 2 will be playlist, remaining 2 will be keep 10 will be empty. Why? Because any sponsor ads will be going running will be here an option. And cards will be promoting for other link also will be promoting here. So that is the option will be eligible to the users. Any YouTube link, any website link also will be promote by using cards. Save it, click for next. No copyright, ad suitable also will be accepted. These options are without monetization. First option will be eligible. With monetization, second option will be compulsory required. Next, after any video you have to publish will be private mode. Reason, right now I'm not updating thumbnail. Once update your thumbnail, we can update your video will be into the particular option name is called publish mode. So that is called any video you have to make it on your particular option. This is the follow the method is the compulsory important. So anyone uploading video, the pattern will be compulsory important will be here. The option name is called private mode. After thumbnail upload, you have to take some time to publish the video and start your promotion. Different patterns are here. So any video uploading will be done. So it takes some time will be here. Before that, I'll show you one more important option is called your YouTube video backlinks. That is called go to YouTube link backlink generator and what are the video you have, copy the video, paste it and submit. There you can generating for YouTube backlinks. How you can show other website our video we can show to the customers. We are also they promote our video that is cover backlinks. So that is called what are the video you can upload will be here. So that all video we have to follow the methods and backlinks also very important. And this video uploading for websites and this video we can do for Pinterest. That all nothing but to generating for more backlink purpose. So follow this method and upload the video to this backlinks. Backlink purpose, every video below the option will be shown to the customer that is called share. What are the share options? It is visible. Everything utilize and increase your traffic on your particular YouTube channel option. So in this very high end option is called Reddit. So follow this method and do the backlinks and each and every website. So follow this method. Uploading will be done. Next will be do this backlinks and do the share button on Pinterest. All videos are available into my particular channel. So we can go to particular YouTube channel playlist is available on my this here and follow this method and promote your video by using YouTube channel option and playlist option. If any further question, YouTube backlinks, any further question will be into views problem, anything, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.